Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to go global in Tinder PC. Now let's begin. Initially, let's simply go to tinder.com. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Let's simply try to go global. At the top left, here's your profile picture along with your profile name. Simply click on it. Then this will open up. Well, from here you can edit your info as well, but right now I'm simply gonna scroll down. Then as you can see, right under the Discovery Settings tab, you'll see something like Global right here. I'm gonna look at what's written below it. Going global will allow you to see people from around the world after you've run out of profiles nearby. Well, we do want to turn it on, so let's simply toggle on this button. Right here you can see we have toggled on this button and we have gone global. Well guys, that's it. That's how we go global on Tinder PC. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.